My favorite hobby is baking. I was about 12 years old when I made my first cake. I was inspired by my mom. I used to love to see her make our birthday cakes and icing. Nowadays, I enjoy trying new recipes that I find on YouTube. My most recent favorite recipe is my own homemade pumpkin cake. I was thinking about my rewards and accomplishments, and for me, the most memorable one would be my Soldier Award. I'm one of the first reserve soldier women to be part of the Peruvian Army parachute team. We received this recognition by the government 2 years ago, in 2021. I was only 16 years old when I enrolled, and I remember my dad being proud. In this course, I hope to develop my college skills and become a better student. I'm back to school after more than 30 years and I'm a little rusty. So far, I'm enjoying this new experience. I put into practice my communication skills and have learned different computer applications that will definitely help me to get through college successfully. A few years ago, online learning was not a choice for me at all. I had my doubts about learning anything, but after a couple of classes I have taken in the past and my current experience, I have changed my mind completely. And thanks to online learning, I can go back to school now.